Welcome to Cool Bro channel.
Hi guys, Halloween is approaching and today we're making a smoky pumpkin at home.
The required ingredients are pumpkin, candy lighter, safety glasses, lighter and vegetable glycerin.
First, we're going to cut the top of the pumpkin. Then we're going to take all of the pulp out and then we're going to make a scary face like this.
Finally, we carved our scary pumpkin.
First, let us wear our safety goggles. Next, take the candle stand and put it in the center. Then,
I'm going to fill the
now it's time to light up.
I'm going to place this in top of the candle jar. Now I'm going to close the pumpkin top. The lighted candle evaporates the glycerin and produces smoke. This process usually takes 3 to 5 minutes.
Can you see some smoke coming out of here? Let me show you.
Hope you guys enjoy our video. Happy
Happy Halloween!